Good afternoon, everyone. This is Cody Meeker from Basecamp Trading. I'm making a video here to go over the SPX and see what is going on in the last few days. So since Monday, we have bounced up from the low here off news regarding Iran and the US. So it has been a nice bullish bounce back up to the upside. That being said, we are barely above the previous kind of support level that we have here in this shaded area. And so this will be a good support and resistance zone for now. Also, one more thing to note is that we are still putting in lower highs. So we have a lower high right here, a lower high right here, lower high right here, right here, right here, and potentially right here. So it's still technically in a technical downtrend. So I'm still thinking we're going to move lower. This all depends on how the conflict in the Middle East goes. If it escalates, I think the market will see more downside. If it starts to become de-escalatory, I think that we could bounce back up a little bit more. But we'll have to see. But this overall zone here between 65.74.81 and roughly 65.09 should be a pretty good support and resistance level. Also, we are near the 23.6% retracement from last year's low to the current all-time high, which is at 64.90.81. That'll also be another good support level. So we'll have to see how things move. But if you like this kind of analysis, you want to see the trades that we do offer a 7-day monthly trial. If you want to give us a try, you can email support@basecamptrading.com. But until next time, have a nice day.